Hey, hi. Recently, I read a report about, the disparity in jobs due to artificial intelligence. And it says that artificial intelligence is going to eliminate most of the white collar job or, the job at middle management or lower middle management or those who are joining as freshers or have only a couple of years of experience. So it was like a deep, thought-provoking article for me. So I decided after reading that article that I'm going to make a proper video how I got mastery. I don't want to say use the word mastery or expertise, but how I started my journey to get edge and depth in-depth knowledge in artificial intelligence, just to guide the generation, the professionals, that how instead of losing their jobs, they also can master artificial intelligence. And this is not a very technical topic, but this is more like an inspirational topic to show you that it's not complicated to learn artificial intelligence. It's just a skill learning set. Okay, yes, you need lots of patience and practice, but let's see how I started and how I reached to this level where I am, and what should be your roadmap. Okay, so unlocking AI secrets, my journey to mastery. Okay, and in this topic, we will talk about how I built expertise in AI through consistency and experimentation. So this is not an technical lecture, but this is generally an inspirational, motivational lecture. Okay, so let's dive deep into it. And introduction, AI is more than just a tool. Okay, earlier we human being were working on many possible things like from managing home to office. In office, maybe marketing department, HR department, accounting, operation, product, everything was managed by, even IT was managed by human beings. But now artificial intelligence has started replacing us in those fields. And there is one more critical challenge from, if you see from job perspective, than robotic arms. These robotics arms are very cost effective in comparison of a humanoid robot, because in a humanoid robot you have to create the full structure where you have to invest lots of money, and you need lots of technical capabilities. But when it comes to robotic arms, they are not that costly, and they are very cost effective as well. So let's dive into it and see what are the possible use case scenario. Artificial intelligence is a revolution shaping industries and human progress, but the challenge is it has started replacing jobs as well. My AI journey has been fueled by learning, experimentations, and applications. And in fact, I got lots of questions about how you entered into artificial intelligence, how you started building yourself. So let's talk about it today. Mastery AI is a deliberate discipline process, not an overnight success. Okay, I will show you how some decision I took years back saved my present, or in fact, you can say future. Okay, the foundation session started a long time back. It's like 1,000 books and a million ideas. Before AI, I read almost 1,000 books, 1,000 plus books. So maybe 1,100, 1,200, I'm not sure. But I read lots of books before artificial intelligence arrival. Okay, so and I read most of those books in genres like self-help, business, technology, management, history, human behavior, human psychology, biography of successful people, athlete, billionaires, celebrities in some cases, and then people like those who have achieved something significant. So basically, I went in these eight genres, and I read more than 1,000 books since 2008 onward. Okay, so before the arrival of artificial intelligence, I had huge knowledge base, and I had so many ideas to cover. Then came the artificial intelligence. But before artificial intelligence, one thing I had is my depth knowledge, is just because of my reading habit. And then came my foundation. I Before artificial intelligence, I did these four things. One, engineering. Engineering during my graduation and post graduation. Then management was not done under any specific institute, but it was like part of a self learning. Information technology, I was interested in information technology when I was doing my engineering. So information technology was like a side gig. Learning information technology was like a side gig. So this is the difference between us. For you, side gig is making a few bucks. For me, side gig is learning a new subjects. And the same happened with coding. Mm, I was interested in like how softwares work. Okay. And so I started learning coding. And, before artificial intelligence, I had these two strong foundations: book genres of various domains, and then a strong foundation. Let me show you something why book reading is so important. Okay, I hope you can watch this screen. Okay, what are the benefits of book reading particularly? One is cognitive benefit. Okay, then emotional benefits, then knowledge expansion, then social benefits, then personal growth. Okay, books are not just information. They have capabilities of changing your whole life. So let's dive into deep into it and see one by one. So if we comes to cognitive benefits of book reading, cognitive benefits, it improves our memory, enhance our focus and critical thinking. And then these further have their own, benefit in, let's say, take example of improved memory, retention of storylines and characters, strengthen neural connections, sustained attention during reading, reduced multitasking, distractions, analysis of themes and arguments, problem solving skills. So these are the critical examples, critical benefits. And if you see the entire corporate world, in corporate world, we need these three things. Okay, whatever your level is, maybe you are executives or in management, or you are just a traditional techie. Okay, you need these four things: improved memory to work, to retain more information, enhanced focus, so that you can have a single line focus to get things done fast. Then complete critical thinking. Okay, let's say you have multiple projects to complete, or client has different requirement, but management is reluctant on another point. So here critical thinking helps you a lot. Then come emotional benefits. Some time or the other, we all go through stressful situations, empathy development, or specifically, some people face mood swings. Okay, so book reading can help you there as well. And then they have their own further benefits. So this is not the core topic. Still, I'm giving it a brief discussion today. Knowledge expansion, general knowledge, vocabulary growth, and specialized skills like how to guide manuals, professional development topics. Okay, so this build your whole base of corporate structure, success of corporate structure, you can say. Even if you are just a fresher and you start reading books, your growth curve toward reaching the top of the ladder will be very fast. In fact, if you study about all the rich people, all the successful people, they have one common habit. They read books a lot. Tony Robbins read more than 700 books. And okay, Mark Zuckerberg read a book in every 2 weeks as per the information available on internet. Okay, and other people read books, try to read a book a week. Bill Gates has been mentioned as a good, in fact, great reader. Okay, Richard Branson has been mentioned as a great reader. Okay, so reading should be the base of your career. Okay, then let's talk about social benefits. These are the social benefits: conversation skills. It's improve your conversational skills, connection with others, cultural awareness. Okay, it can help you in taking your networking skills ahead. Then comes personal growth. Personal growth is creativity boost, discipline, self-reflection. Okay, so book reading is not just a topic. It's like having 360-degree development, all dimension development of yourself. Let's go back to our topic again. And okay, so I started reading books since 2008, and then I was covering this topic in the back end without knowing about like how they are going to help me in the future. One more thing I would like to talk about Steve Jobs. Okay, in his Stanford commencement speech, Steve Jobs said, we should listen to our heart because in the end it knows what we want or what is good for us. So years back I was reading books that was like not my core subject. Then engineering was my core subject, but management was not core subject. In IT was not core subject. Language coding was not core subject. But I kept on reading. I kept on reading. I kept on giving my attention to these things. And just after the arrival of artificial intelligence, everything connected like a web. Okay, now I can see engineering topic, management topic, IT topic, coding, and all those other benefits which we have discussed so far. Okay, so that's a great thing. Always analytical thinking is great, but sometimes follow your heart as well. I followed my heart. Management was making no sense, but I was reading about it. IT was not my core subject, but I was reading about it. Even when I started my career in government sector in PSU. There was no need of reading management or IT, but still I kept reading IT and management. Follow your heart. Okay. This deep knowledge has helped me understand how technology shapes industries. And it's true. Okay, AI is the next great transformation, and mastering it is key to leading in the future. So, John, don't just see AI as your replacement. See AI as a tool where you can master it to be part of the future. So, here is my recommendation. Please read these books. Okay, books on finance. Everything around you runs on finance. Okay, and still it's a surprise we don't teach finance as a subject in high school and graduation. It should be a compulsory subject. Self-help section. Okay, we should teach about how finance work, about loan and debt and all these things, but we don't teach. Then self-help section. Uh, every every setbacks we face sometime it hit us personally and it's reshape us. So read self-help section. Then technology. Okay, everything around us is directly connected to technology, even in fact our career. Then body language. Why do we need body language? Because you have to deal with people. Sometimes people use different word, but their body language says totally different thing. So if you are going to see me somewhere anytime in future, you will see I say the same thing and my body language reflect the same thing, but it generally don't happen with people. Okay, if people are making different gestures while they speak, it has different meaning, and until you know the body language reading, you will not be able to comprehend the exact meaning. Then human behavior. Human behavior is very necessary as a subject, and then biography and autobiographies. These are my recommendations. If you want to grow in life, just start book reading. Okay. And then power of daily learning. So what after the artificial intelligence, how I started reshaping my artificial intelligence journey. Initially, I started by dedicating 3 hours every day to learning artificial intelligence. Later, it went to 8 to 10 hours every day for last 2 years. Initially, it was just 3 hours because I had so many things to cover up, books, theories, and so many things were happening there. But then I started giving 8 to 10 hours. I'm going to talk about it in a bit. Okay, so this is my schedule look like reading schedule. I get up at 4:30 every day. Okay. And from 4:30 to 6, I start my day by learning something new, maybe, about prompts or something new tool has come up or new research paper has come up. Okay. Then 9 to 11, again, continuous focus on studies like books, research papers, articles. Okay, so this is my typical schedule look like 4:30 to 6 and 9 to 11. If something has come up or there is some emergency or team wants my presence somewhere, maybe it's a meeting, client is coming, client is not coming, whatever the reason is, then I make necessary changes as per the requirement. However, I prefer to fill my calendar, with these two time slot already booked for reading purpose, study purpose. And then comes the practice time. Okay, from then 1 PM onward till night until I'm going to sleep. I focus on experiment, research, executions, reading. Let's say a new tool has come up. What this tool has a meaning, how this tool is going to impact the software market or analyst or marketing, or what is the difference between, let's say, Grok 3 has come and GPT 4.45 has come, and another tool has come, like let's say DeepSeek. Then I'm going to test every one of them with the same prompt. Let's say I give this prompt to this tool, what is the answer? Then this same prompt to this tool, then what is the answer? Then the same prompt to this tool, then what is the answer? Then I'm going to, understand their deep thinking process. So it's a time consuming task. So I give 1 to till night. I try to, do all my business activities that's required before 1. So I can have uninterrupted time from 1 to till I'm going to sleep. Okay, so generally my days look like I give 8 to 10 hours every day for from last 2 years for artificial intelligence learning. AI evolves at an exceptional pace, require continuous learning to stay ahead. First of all, if you want to build your career in artificial intelligence, I highly recommend. It's a continuous learning process. This field is expanding at a very fast pace, and you must understand. If you are not ready to learn, artificial intelligence is not for you. Every breakthrough in AI leads to new research, business strategies, and theories. Every breakthrough in AI, even if someone is just releasing APIs or making it open source, it has different meaning for the entire corporate world. Okay, so every breakthrough in AI lead to new research. So you should be ready for deep learning, and that's how I read it. I pay close attention to every small detail. Next, daily AI experimentations. Learning is okay, but until you practice, it will not make much difference. It's like you can't learn swimming just by reading books. Learning AI is not enough. Practicing AI is where mastery happens. Okay, until you practice, you will not become the master of the field. What is the difference between a beginner and a master? A master has practiced the step maybe 10,000 times. Okay, I dedicate hours daily to testing AI models, prompts, and real world applications. AI is not just about using tools, it's about innovating with them. Like, I'm not here just to test it and give my observation on social media. I'm basically creating my own framework, themes, papers as well, like AI papers. If you visit our ReThynk AI website, you will see this paper, 3 A's of Artificial Intelligence. I'm going to talk about it in a bit, but most important part of my day is experimenting with artificial intelligence. It's practice. Okay, so where is my focus? My focus is currently on prompt preparation, integration and execution, working on new theories, experimenting with new tools. This is what I do generally now. Prompt preparation, we have already 24,000 prompt use case. If required, I'm going to, even after having this much of base, I still practice about it. Still, I look for new opportunities or areas where I can help you by giving you more resources. Then integration and execution, how businesses should integrate and execute artificial intelligence, working on new theories. Theory is a theory is a big thing for me, and I always give my complete focus on theories. Experimenting with new tools, yeah, it's necessary. AI in business and creativity. I push AI beyond its conventional use to explore a business strategy. What if a business should, what type of tool a business should use? What should be the strategy? Why they should use it? When they should use it? What should be the intervention level of artificial and human beings? What should be their long-term goals, short-term goals? What should be their vision? How they are going to convince the management? How they are going to convince the board members? Okay, everything has a different meaning. How, when to put it on automation? What should be the efficiency rate? Then marketing and content creation. Listen, this is a big thing. Okay, AI in business can change everything, but AI is becoming the part of marketing now. Okay, then human creativity and decision making. Yeah, this is necessary. AI is a tool for innovation, not just automation. Now, let me show you something what it means when I say that I learn artificial intelligence. Okay. This is again my mind map. Okay, let's look into this mind map a bit by bit. And this is a bigger mind map now this time. So if you want to build your career, you are integrating artificial intelligence, you are concerned about artificial intelligence, you will start taking your job. This is should be the your roadmap. 1 to 2 month focus on foundations. Next 3 to 4 month core AI skills development. Then 5 6 month advanced topics and specialization. Okay. Then comes foundational knowledge. Uh, these are the subjects which you should learn typically. In mathematics, you should learn linear algebra, probability, permutation combination, calculus. These things are very essential, and there are many tools which are available through MIT Open course or Khan Academy or Analyze or different practice set. You should be good in mathematics. Then programming Python libraries, version controls, you should like NumPy, Pandas, GitHub. Okay, syntax, loop, functions. You should learn all these things. In fact, I did C, HTML, Java a long time back in 2008 onward, near 2010. Okay, now I feel that I knew a bit about Python, but I feel that it's time for me to dive deep into Python again, because we have a plan to enter into robotics. So before entering into robotics, I feel I should dive into Python again. So I'm not just asking you to do these subjects, but I'm doing it myself as well. Okay, so do mathematics and Python programming. Then dive into core AI concept like machine learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, different tools, and then data handling, data processing, data visualization, data sets. Okay, these are the core concepts of AI. Advanced AI tools like deep learning, neural network, framework applications, concepts and tools, reinforcement learning. This should be the next step. That's how much, that's the length of, or you can say that's the extent I've pushed myself to get my knowledge ahead. Okay, projects. Then comes and start practicing projects for beginners and intermediate or advanced, or maybe you can become part of communities and resources like online courses, forums, books. But if it comes to learning, then Rethink AI is providing you everything. Rethink AI is your one-stop destination for all your learnings. However, if you need some beginner projects to to test artificial intelligence, let me know and I can provide you a list of a list of projects. Then evolution and growth, self-assessment, continuously do your self-assessment, then build your portfolio. Next step is get the specialization, do your job search or research in the field of artificial intelligence itself. Not just don't build your career in marketing, build your career in marketing with AI, build your career in HR with AI. Okay, that will save your job. But general, if I'm going to open this entire mind map, then it's look like this. Okay, you don't need to read this much, but still there is. If you follow Rethink AI continuously, you will get lots of out of it. Okay, every node has a different meaning, and then sub node, and then sub branch. Okay, that's much I read every day. So let's look into it. AI is a tool for innovation, not just automation. I think companies need more time to understand this thing. But until they understand it, they start implementing it, it's your job uh, to learn artificial intelligence. Okay, so what are the now I am trying to connect dots of AI operators, AI agents, AGI, and ASI. Okay, because in business currently we are not even just starting in artificial intelligence. That's the optimum point. This is just the beginning of artificial intelligence. Corporate sector has not even started integrating it. Okay, this is the this would be the scale of it. So AI operators and AI agents are already here. Businesses has started working with them. Then comes AGI and ASI. So I'm already in the advanced stage of my research, that what it means for businesses for having artificial intelligence, uh, beyond artificial intelligence, which is AGI and ASI. And then for businesses, we need robotic arms. We will have robotic arms, robots, humanoids, and then AI robotics. Okay, so this is the scope of entire career where you should look, and this is what I am doing personally these days, learnings and all these things. My focus currently is okay. First of all, the secret to success is, if you want to impress people, then make things complex. But if you want to bring change, then make things simple and easy to understand. So that's what I'm doing right here. Right now, the aim is I'm developing AI theories. My learning fuels structured framework and theories that simplify AI adoption. Okay, like 3 A's of artificial intelligence. You should visit the ReThynk AI website and read this theory. AI should be, my belief is AI should be actionable, practical, and understandable for businesses and professionals. That's what I'm building here. Okay, and that you should learn this part so that you can apply it in within your business. What is my ideal direction, or what should be the ideal direction of artificial intelligence now? It should be accessible, affordable, and authentic. Accessible AI must be easy to adopt for businesses. Affordability, AI should provide high ROI without high cost. Authenticity, AI should improve real decision making, not just generate insights. Okay, AI should adoption should be structured, not overwhelming. So that's my ideal direction now, and that will be the directions of businesses. Okay, so now you knew how you can align your previous knowledge with what is going to happen in the business world. What is the elevator theory of AI? A year back, I gave this theory. Okay, if you are going to in a mall, everyone knew how to use elevators or escalators, but hardly people knew about the back end work, like how the pulley system work, how it lifts the weight, okay, how the entire chain system work. Only like less than 1% people know about it. So what the elevator theory of AI says, that AI, so what it means, that you can use something even without knowing how it works, or even without knowing how we build it. Like let's say automobile. Almost everyone knew how to drive, but rarely people knew how it works. Okay. So AI currently, I believe AI should act as an elevator in businesses, remove complexity, automate repetitive processes, optimize efficiency, help businesses scale faster. Okay, elevate operations, provide insight with minimal intervention. AI should lift businesses, not complicate them. And when businesses are using artificial intelligence, obviously they are reducing their cost price, product or service. And I'm continuously talking about it. If you are using artificial intelligence and you are reducing the cost price, then why you are not transferring the benefit to the next to your consumers? Okay. So the secret to AI mastery finally is consistency, curiosity, and application. Okay, I have been I have been here, and in last 2 years I have got many opportunities. I got pitched by many to become part of businesses, or both as business partner or as investors. But I kept on saying no, because I knew it's like consistency, continuously, curiosity, and application. That's how I'm going to build my career. And that's how you should build your career. Curiosity fuels learning. AI requires an insatiable hunger for exploration, because something new is coming almost every day. Application builds expertise. Real mastery comes from real world testing. Consistency separate expert from amateur. Daily efforts compound over time. Okay, so what should be your early schedule to start your journey in artificial intelligence? Remember, I'm not building my career in artificial intelligence. I'm building my business in artificial intelligence, and we are here to provide artificial intelligence service, including consulting. You want to talk to me, or you want one-on-one consulting. You have trouble with your business because either you are failing to integrate artificial intelligence and you are unable to have a balance with your management. Here I can help you. So for that, I have to invest my times, like 8-10 hours every day beside managing other business priorities. But for you, earlier schedule should be 30 minutes of learning followed by practice daily. Okay, it will help you in start building your understanding, broader understanding in the field of artificial intelligence. And now you should focus on 20% reading, 80% practices. Okay, that 10,000 hour rules is the idea that you need to practice a skill for 10,000 hours to become an expert. According to Malcolm Gladwell, you should practice something for 10,000 hours to become an expert in that field. Okay, so I have already started investing my 10,000 hours. I have been reading since 2008. Then now I give it 10 hours every day. Okay, so I'm very near to covering my 10,000 hours. But for you, ideally, just start with 30 minutes of learning. That's enough. So what are final thoughts? The future of AI mastery. Mastering AI is not reserved for experts. It's for those willing to commit to learning. Okay, AI rewards the curious, the consistent, and the action takers. Listen, trust me. If you are just curious, it's not going to help. If you are not consistent, it's not going to help. And if you are consistent but you are not curious, it's not going to help. And most importantly, if you are not taking actions. Whenever I get a new idea, I take action, whether it's building theories, whether it's building framework, whether it's starting something new. Okay, whether even before the entering into artificial intelligence completely, I delegated the marketing completely, and we pay to ReThynk with Celebrata. They are our marketing partner. So I'm curious, I'm consistent, and I'm action taker, but I take action in my own field only. Okay, the future belongs to those who rethink their approach to AI. Okay, so if you are new to this field, start by exploring every material that is available on Rethink AI, YouTube channel, and most importantly, our Twitter account. At Rethink AI YouTube channel, we focus on foundational knowledge. Okay, to strengthen your fabric of artificial intelligence for quick analysis, new updates, information, news. We provide the information on Twitter. So be on both the platforms. So are you ready to unlock your AI secrets and save the future? If yes, this is the right time for you. However, if you need any help, let me know, and I'm here to help you. So with this, another lecture comes to an end where I have shown how I got AI mastery and how I focus on learning artificial intelligence. Now it's your turn. This lecture has been researched and prepared by ReThink AI, and this presentation has been prepared by Vista Libreta. They are our marketing partner, and this time they have worked in really depth. Okay, and if you like the concept of having mind map, share your thoughts in the comment section. I would love to give a thought about it. If you have any question, you can reach out to me. These are the numbers. If you need some help in marketing, you can reach out to them. And if you have any question for me, you can reach out here as well. Okay, these are scans by team members, but most of the time, the important questions personally reach out to me. With this, thank you so much. Have a great weekend. And if you have any question, please let me know. And have your greater success. Most importantly, why I'm putting this much of effort for your greater success. So take care of yourself. Have a great day and have your greater success. See you soon.